Hello everyone, my name is Anangsha Alamyan and welcome back to my channel where we talk about how you as a writer can design the life of your dreams by writing just what you want. This is the Halloween special video, that's why I've got Halloween makeup on. Do let me know how you like it in the comments. Also, this is a really pretty dress which I just got today. It came in the mail today and it's so pretty. I'm totally in love with it. But as we remember, as we all know, this is not a channel for fashion content. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to get started on LinkedIn and attract leads and earn lots of money. So before we get started, I want to give you a little bit of an introduction about LinkedIn, although we all have heard about LinkedIn, right? Because of those annoying emails that keep coming in our inbox that somebody followed us on LinkedIn or somebody endorsed us for Microsoft Word. So yeah, LinkedIn is much more than that. LinkedIn is much more than your virtual CV as well. LinkedIn is the social network of professionals. So any person who is a professional who is good in their field would likely be present on LinkedIn. They would likely actively use it to make connections, to find possible recruits for their team. And if you are looking for a great career, if you're looking to build something that is beyond your 9 to 5, or if you're actually looking for a job, then LinkedIn can be an amazing place for you to start. I started being active on LinkedIn in January 2021. That's the beginning of this year, so it's been 10 months now. And since then, I've got opportunities worth thousands of dollars just because I was active on LinkedIn. It's crazy, right? And so this video is going to help you get started with LinkedIn and build a personal brand which you can use to pitch yourself later on to companies and for clients who will be happy to pay you a lot for your talent. So the first thing that you have on LinkedIn is your profile picture, because that's the first thing people are going to see when they see your name in the connection requests. So make sure you have a professional looking photo with a clean background, a clear background. Because LinkedIn is very professional, maybe you can start with a picture that's taken against the wall and you are wearing something professional, something very presentable. A good professional picture goes a long way in establishing credibility for yourself. Although it's true that we should never judge a book by its cover, but a person's first impression is always through how they look. So make sure your photo represents who you are at your best. The second thing is your about section, or the about your bio, your profile bio. Here you have a chance to let a casual user who's just stepping by your profile know who you are. So you can put up all that you are. Suppose you work as a sales analyst at company X. So you can just write sales analyst at company X, and then you can just give your college name after a dash, the vertical dash, and then you can just give your college name and your any other credentials you have, which so that people who are from the same college, when they search for the college name, they can find you. Or people who are actually looking to get in touch with the sales analyst at X, if they search that on LinkedIn, they will find your profile. That's why it's very important for your about bio to convey who you are. If you are self-employed or if you have a business, then it's better to just write founder of X, whatever your company's name is, and then one line about what the company does. So, if your company X is to sell, say, pretty bangles which you buy from local vendors and then you sell them on your website at much higher rates, and you give a small section of your profit to the local craftsmen as well, and you also get to keep a lot of your profit. So that's actually a pretty nice business model if anyone's listening. So yeah, I mean, if you think this is interesting, this a business idea, please let me know what are your thoughts in the comments. So you are not going to just write, I am the founder of X. X is a bangle selling company, locally sourced bangle selling company. It doesn't have the ring to it, what even locally sourced bangle selling company means. You can just write, I help local craftsmen get the exposure and financial freedom they deserve by bringing their products in front of the right target market. So that sounds like, I don't know about you, but to me that sounds like an incredibly interesting bio. I would be so curious about who this person is, what they do, and how are they helping local craftsmen to get the exposure and financial freedom they deserve. So that is incredibly interesting for me, much better than the previous bio that we thought of. The third thing you have is your about copy, which is the thing that we see which is the next thing people will look at right after they look at your name, your profile picture, your bio. So your about section has to tell your story, who you are, how did you get started with doing what you do, what was your journey like so far. So most people make the mistake here by just writing 1 or 2 lines. So here you have to tell your story to whoever is listening and whoever is reading your profile. So someone who just randomly stumbled upon your profile because they were looking for sales analysts and they want to hire you. So when they read your story, they should be inspired to talk to you more. So make it as interesting as possible, make it spark as much curiosity as possible. And then the next, your top skills. Most people have made the mistake of starting their LinkedIn profile back in college, and at that time all the skills we had were Microsoft Word, Java, C, etc., which are totally not relevant right now in our career and in our life. So in this section, you have to add 3 top skills which actually resonate with who you are currently, and which I have kept things that are relevant to me right now, and which is very important for you to do that as well. So delete Microsoft Word, delete programming in Java, delete C++, and add all the things that are relevant to you currently. And the final section that adds a punch to the credibility, LinkedIn calls them recommendations. So recommendations are when you worked with them for a while and then the project is over. So what are their thoughts about you? It's like their review of you as a co-worker or as an employee. And if you have good recommendations on LinkedIn, your profile will automatically look more authentic, more interesting. It sparks more curiosity, and it will automatically set you apart from a peer or someone who has never optimized their LinkedIn profile and who still have Microsoft Word and Java as their top skill. So these are the 5 important things that you need to make sure as a beginner to get a lot of traction on LinkedIn. Now before I conclude this video, I want to share something incredible that has happened to my LinkedIn recently. I have been getting an average of 15 to 20,000 views on all the posts that I post on LinkedIn. The number of my followers as I record this video today is something about 9,400, around that number, but the views I get is like 20,000 or even more than that. So LinkedIn is currently the only platform on the internet where I get more than twice the number of views as my follower count. The organic reach is amazing. It's not like I have one viral post. All my posts get more than 20,000 views. You can imagine how powerful that is. And there are a very few content creators on LinkedIn. I'm pretty sure before you watched this video, you didn't even know that you could write posts on LinkedIn. You mostly thought LinkedIn was just a place where you can make your CV, right? So yes, what I am saying is I have had incredible opportunities through LinkedIn. I found the dream sponsors, the dream clients through LinkedIn, and you can definitely do the same. The 5 points that I mentioned in this video are just the beginner's pack. It's like a starter pack for LinkedIn. There is a lot more that goes into the nitty-gritties of building your personal brand, and as a whole, this is called LinkedIn profile optimization. So I have helped a few clients optimize their LinkedIn profile, and the results have been like literally life-changing. Initially, one of my clients used to get like 50-60 views per post, but after I helped her make her profile optimized and guided her with her posting schedule and content calendar, her views increased to more than 300 for every post, which is like 10x the growth she saw in just 3 days. So as I was saying, I am offering that as a service. So if you feel that LinkedIn is a place you need to leverage to grow ahead in your career, it doesn't matter from which field you are. The concepts are same for a content creator, a writer, as they are for a neuroscientist or a medical surgeon. But the concepts are same, so the language might be different, but I can definitely help you with that. So if you would like to have your LinkedIn profile optimization done, you can get in touch with me. I will leave my LinkedIn link in the description of this video, so you can just go there and send me a DM. Let's talk and maybe we can work some magic together. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope you were taking notes, because people actually pay me for this kind of consultation that I give. So you are getting something incredible totally for free. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you have any questions regarding your LinkedIn profile or anything that had been bugging you about LinkedIn for long, just let me know in the comments. I'll make sure to answer them all. I hope you liked my Halloween makeup, and let me put on those pretty bangles back, and ta-da! I was feeling pretty. I'm not gonna lie, that is the only reason I recorded this video. Or if you had noticed, I've been procrastinating a lot on my channel so far. I haven't been posting that many videos as I used to. But yes, this today, here, me being present and making this and talking to you is proof that I'm willing to try again. I'm not going to let you people down who have subscribed to me and who follow my videos and my updates. So yes, some more amazing videos are coming your way. This was a little bit different from the kind of videos I usually make. So please let me know your thoughts in the comments, and also feel free to drop any topics that you want me to talk about in my videos next. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you know any person, any writer, any self-employed person, or anyone who's looking for a new job, or struggling to build their business, make sure you send them this video. And of course, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on future content. And if you're on LinkedIn, don't forget to connect with me. I'm going to leave my link right in the description. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you and bye.